relevant is because nature abhors vacuum. The president compromised the opposition and captured parliament. So there is nobody to talk to the people of Kenya.
Yeah.
And since nature abhors vacuum, the Gen Z found
Fill the space.
relevance to speak for the people of Kenya. And I didn't want to commend them. And what they did is unprecedented in this country. And I want to join President Uhuru Kenyatta in telling our young people to rise up to the occasion and add and fight for their country and fight for their parents. Some of us are aging, we are growing old.
Yeah.
We want these children to take care of us in our age, and this is their country. And more than anybody else, they are the greatest stakeholders in this country because they have much longer to live than all of us. So they have a responsibility to make sure that there is good governance. They have a responsibility to make sure we have a responsible government. So I want to encourage the Gen Z's that this is your time and you have a date with destiny and you must be on the right side of history. And I want to tell the Gen Z's, my sons and daughters, my grandchildren, you are doing a fantastic job on the smartphone of creating awareness, but that is not enough. The real transformation of this country will happen on the ballot. You guys must register and get IDs, register as voters, come out and vote, and help us to follow the vote the way it is going using the smartphone. And I am very saddened and embarrassed that I served a government that killed children. I feel my heart is heavy that I took part in getting this government elected into office, only for that government to turn against innocent children and kill them and butcher them, and then sound very unapologetic, like it doesn't matter. I had another member of parliament saying that people die every day and move on. Can you imagine the kind of callousness in this administration? The MPs who are sycophants of the president have no feelings, they have no heart whatsoever. That a member of parliament on the floor of the parliament, the National Assembly, on the Hansard, can stand up and say that people dying is no big deal. And people die all days everywhere in the world and just move on. You know,
Like it's a normal thing.
I really feel it. And for the parents of the Gen Z's who died, their brothers, their sisters, their relatives and friends, I, Rigathi Gachagua, give my profound apologies to you that I took a great part in bringing this government into power that has turned against you. And I ask for your forgiveness, because that should never happen. And I really feel it. And I feel it because I took a very active role in getting this government elected, only for this government to turn against children and kill them. I really feel it, and I feel very sorry about it. There's nothing I can do. I cannot bring them back to life. I cannot replace them. I cannot trace them. But I will do whatever I need to do to make sure that those responsible also get humiliated at the right time.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Planning to take revenge?
Not for me. Not
Revenge for the
mine.
people.